At AST, we develop intelligent, intuitive, and innovative solutions that minimize and where possible eliminate process, efficacy, and safety risks associated with drug product manufacturing. The solutions AST delivers today enable life-changing therapies to reach more patients in a race against time where every day matters. That purpose informs every aspect of what we do here at AST, and it's why AST strives to be one of our customers' most trusted partners for drug product manufacturing. At our core, AST is a true American story, one that started with a commitment to excellence and innovation. From the very beginning in 1965, AST has been proud to offer innovative and high-quality American-made automated solutions. And in service to the pharmaceutical industry, we provide the very best of American-made ingenuity and innovation to customers both locally and worldwide. One of the special aspects of AST is our team. It's a true joy to work with people who live out the mission, vision, and purpose of AST on a daily basis. And when you visit our facility here in Tacoma, Washington, and walk the factory floor, you can't help but see that firsthand. The commitment to quality, to refining and perfecting the solutions we offer, and to discovering new advancements that push the industry forward are all a result of our team's dedication to our customers and to pursuing our mission.